Hello, my name is Brad, and I'd like to thank you for taking the opportunity to watch this video, which will give you guys some great information on building a bigger, stronger website. First of all, you can see I have your website up here, and I just want to point a few things out to you. You got your information here so people can see it immediately when they come in, know how to contact you. I see you do blogs. I see you're on Facebook. So you're doing a lot of good things out there. I also see you have specials, which is good too to help draw in customers. And just like your web page, and if it's done properly, these things that you're already doing and a proper web page will help bring in more revenue for your company as well. So I'm going to jump right into this. I'm going to do something called a word count. I'm copying your URL here, and I'm going to put it over here with something called word count. Word count is a free tool on the internet that you guys can use yourselves or download it yourselves for free. And what it does is it tells us how many words that you have on your website. It looks like you have 228 words. Let's make sure I copied the right website. Maybe it didn't copy for me. We'll try this again. There we go. So you have 530 words on your website. Now, with this in mind, Google these days is looking for anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words on your website. I'm going to go over here to your competition, Appleton Drain, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to copy and put their information into the word count. Again, you guys have 530, which is good, but like I said, 1,500, 2,000 is what Google's looking for. You can see your competition has 228 words. I'm going to go over here. This is how I found your competition. Here you guys are right here on the top of Map It. That is awesome. That's a good place to be. That's what's bringing you in revenue. But here's how I found your competition as well. By typing in keywords. In your business, sewer and drain cleaning are keywords. Um, so you want to have the proper keywords on your website as well. If I go down, this is called Map It's up here, by the way. But if I scroll down here, this is called the organic area of a website. And you're this is the first place that people are going to click on to find what they're looking for. This is the second place that people will click on. And this is according to Google. So again, I'm going to scroll down here to see if here you guys are right here. But this is because of Yelp that you're ranking here. So I'm guessing you guys are paying them some kind of money to be there. I'm going to scroll down a little bit more to see if I can find you guys. And I'm on the second page now, and I'm not seeing you guys right off, but there are some other people. That's in Janesville. Cross. So these are all out a little bit further. Here's one right here in your area. So you can see that you are on the first page, but that's because of Yelp. Now, what we can do, or what you can do after watching this information, is go from here up to here. And again, this is the area that people are going to click on first to find what they're looking for. Talking about keywords, let's go over that slightly. I'm going to back up here. So, a keyword, like I said, is sewer, drain cleaning, anything there are people looking for. If you're looking for a restaurant, you would type that in here. A hotel, those are keywords. Now, I'm going to go over here to a thing called Ahrefs. Ahrefs, however, is not a free tool. It is cost me about $200 a month to have. It looks like you guys have about 150 keywords, organic keywords. And again, like I mentioned, that's this area down here. And that's bringing you approximately $875 a month from that area of the web search. Okay. So that's good, but this can be increased if we do everything properly. I'm going to click on this just to see a few of your organic keywords. Aspen Drain, so ASAP, they must know you because a lot of people use that to click on there. Again, you can see they just add a little S here. That's 450. Sewer and drain cleaning. See how this is a lot stronger? That's bringing in 2.3 thousand volume, okay, when people click on what they're looking for. Again, same thing down here, near me. And if you notice, that's how I used it up above here. So you could use a little bit of help on your keywords. Again, you can do this yourself after watching this video, or if you want more information, you're free to contact me and I will give you that information. Let's go over your competition. They have 98 keywords. So the see the difference in this and this by having more organic keywords in there, it does make a big difference. So again, if we can get you guys more keywords, you have quite a few already, but if we can get you more, it's going to increase this traffic value over here. So yeah, you had 150. Like I said, if you want to be bringing in more revenue, you want more organic keywords, and by adding more uh, words to your web page, that's where you can also add more organic keywords after you add more words in there. I'm going to talk about backlinks next. A backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another via um, clickable website. So, I know that sounds technical, but basically, a backlink is an endorsement of your website from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. I'm going to click on this while I'm reading here. It is literally like a popularity cut, just to make it a little bit easier to, a little bit easier to understand. So whoever has the most backlinks wins the race. So you guys have quite a few backlinks here. These are all people endorsing your company. And again, I'm going to go to this page. This is where backlinks come into play. So you guys have quite a few people endorsing you out there, and that's why you're up here. But again, down here, you would need a few more keywords to get you up in this place and to help bring you in more revenue, like I mentioned. I'm going to go over here. See, these guys got a truckload of backlinks. But again, all backlinks aren't created equal. So they might have some people in here yeah, that are not necessarily plumbers or anything that will help them with popularity contests out there. Just glancing here quick. So, in closing, what you guys can do to bring more revenue into your business is add more words to your website. Again, you have a beautiful website, but like I said, by adding more words, you can add more keywords within that content as well to help get you guys ranked right up here. And the backlinks will keep you right up here to keep those up to date as well. I'm going to be sending this video to you per email. If you want more information, you can contact me at 608-574-2784 or just simply reply to this email and I will be more than happy to help you with more information on how to build a bigger, stronger website and more revenue to your company. Thank you very much for your time and have a great day.